So let us start with this presentation today. Like the year is closing, the last day of the year, 31st of December. So let us recount 2021 and what are our resolutions or what are our plans for 2022. So let us start with Anisha Jaswal.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. And the 2021, as we know, Corona was in a stable condition. Means the cases was not that much as that was in 2020, but we still took precautions about that. In 2021, I was in second semester. Still, I am in second semester, but our examination is going to be held from 27th. We were promoted from first semester to second semester. Now I am in second semester and I am preparing for our examinations. My 2021 went well as compared to 2020 because that was the worst year for me. In that year, we have lost many close ones that were in our life. Now, today, as we know, is 31st December, the last day of 2021. We are not going to celebrate in a very big plans or a very much big plans, but we will celebrate with our family members at night. We will say bye to this year and we will try to make our 2020 very good. So that's all.
Are you going to be thankful to the year that everything went well?
Yes, ma'am.
Did not go well, but more or less, yeah.
It was good as compared to 2020 because that was such a worst year.
Any regrets that you have in 2021? Like something would have been better. I could not do it. Any regrets which you have? Regret? When I talk about regret, this could have been better. That could have been better. I did not say sorry to someone. So regrets are all the time. It is there with everybody. Like, what are the major regrets that you have, that you still feel that, yeah, I should have, I must have.
Yes, ma'am. As we know, Rangoli competition was held at Simich, but I could not be there because I was at home. I regret for that. If I could there, then I would enjoy that.
Had I been there, I would have also participated.
Yes,
ma'am. What are your resolutions for 2022? Like how do you plan your 2022?
Basically, ma'am, I have prepared myself for my studies. That in 2022, I will be in third semester. So I will be focused on my studies more. I will be focused on my skill development, overall development, not only on studies. I will be participating in many cultural activities, and I will prepare for the examinations also. Means I am preparing myself for the third semester that I will give my best in that what I have not been given in these 2 semesters. I will try to give for third semester. And for family, if I talk about my family, then I will try to not come back home again and again, but to focus on studies. That is my plan.
All right, nice. Nice. Now you want to call anybody who would make a presentation? Call anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Fateh Prakash.
Okay. Yes, Fateh. The rest of you, please, you may call anybody in the classroom and they will have to come and make a presentation. So let it be a group work. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Sorry. Thank you, Anisha Jaswal, for calling me. And next, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this chance. And all the members who watching me, I have only seen that Mahi Singh. Thank you, Mahi Singh. और लोग तो देख नहीं रहे हैं. So now my 2021 is a was very good for me because in 2021 I was in college at I attend the college in offline mode, and it's not possible in the 2020. When I was when I was I took the admission in Siemens College Patna, I take the online classes only in 2020. But on 1 February 2021, I took the offline classes at Siemens College Patna. This is a very good thing for me, and this is a very memorable day for me, because this day I took the offline class in Siemens College Patna, and this is my dreams also, because I am fully bored by the online classes. And after that, I participate in a Saraswati Puja program, and I feel so much confidence. And then after I studied in that college, and I enjoyed there. And due to that, 2021 is a very good for me. And after that, I I participate in many types of a cultural program, and I enhance my power and enhance my confidence. And I realized that and on 2021, I realized that I learned many things in this year. So 2021 is the best for me.
Many
And
things you learned, like what? What did you learn? Tell us.
I have said that I learned that how to speak fluently on the stage, and how to interact with the others, like
What was
like,
the highlight of 2020? Can you tell us what was the greatest achievement which you experienced? The highlight of 2021.
according to me, ma'am, whenever I give the speech on the development of Bihar, I took lots of mistakes. Then after you have said that, because on that time,
That was the
this is
highlight.
not ma'am. This is not
I think
only a
Pratyek, the
achievement thing.
highlight was Spiro 2021, right? Where you were
Yes,
given the post of the speaker, isn't it?
yes, at the end of 2021. So this is a very and that's a very interesting day for me, ma'am, because this is at the first time I be a speaker on a debate. So this is a very memorable day for me, ma'am.
Yeah.
And
And the highlight of the 2021 was your Inspiro 2021.
yes, Inspire 2021. And
All right, Pratyek, tell us about what are your future plans? What are your resolutions for 2022?
ma'am, my plan, there is no any plan, but
No plan.
no,
Everybody
ma'am,
has a plan for 2022. What
but
I'm
I
going to
only
do.
wish that I get the
Okay,
classes
first
in
you tell me
a,
about, do you have any regrets? Like any regret for 2021? कुछ ऐसा आपने किया जो नहीं करना चाहिए था, जो ऐसा नहीं किया जो आपको करना चाहिए था? Anything which you wanted to do, you could not do. Anything which you did, you should not have done. So everybody has regrets. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. So no, ma'am, not कुछ है भी तो
कुछ है भी तो?
nothing, ma'am. There is no.
You don't have any regrets. ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया जो आपको नहीं करना चाहिए था? कुछ तो होगा.
Ma'am, sorry. Today I am in home, and on 24th, the only one regret is that on 24th December I went to my home due to some reasons. But some of my friends, many of the friends of this class, like Jaswant Singh and many others, went to the Varanasi for their trip, and I could not go there because I come to the home, and and they really forced me that please come with me and enjoy on the Varanasi, because all the parks and the jewels of the Patna is also closed. But it is impossible for me because I am in home. So this is a regret for me. But I am really give sorry to them. I am pleased with them that at next time I will be with you. So this is last time. This is a regret for me. For my friends.
All right. How will you plan your 2022?
In 2021, I
2022, what is your plan? What is your resolution?
Yes, ma'am. My plan is to fully focus on my study because in 2021 I'm not fully focused on my study, and we also with the cultural program, and this is my focus, ma'am, only for study.
So 2022 is
Distract from
coming
any.
with a bang, and then we'll have Saraswati Puja celebration and a lot of things on the cards. So all the best to you, and keep your spirits high and make this as memorable as you made this Inspire 2021. So that was one program which was really wonderful. All right, Pratay, please call somebody in the classroom.
Firstly, ma'am, happy New Year to you
Yeah,
and
same
my
to
all
you, yeah.
batchmates.
May you have a wonderful year ahead, all of you. Yeah, call anybody, Pratay.
Mahi Singh from BB.
Mahi Singh. Okay.
Thank you, Pratay, for inviting me. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. 2021, I think 2021 is a very hard year for many people just who lost their families, who lost their loved ones. But the one thing that I am most glad that my family, my brother, my Dugo, everyone's are just safe and sound, and I feel very happy. And I
Well, you
just
should always
thank God.
thank God that you
Yes, I
all are
always
safe
thank
and
God that
happy.
everyone is safe, my friends, my family, everyone is safe, and I'm so happy about this. And in 2021 is actually 2021 gives me a mixed feeling. Actually, some bad things also happen, some good things also happen, so it's just the mixture of feelings. So I enjoyed the roller coaster ride of 2021. It's really a roller coaster ride for me because
Life is all full of ups and downs.
yeah, it's all full of ups and downs. There are so many downs, there are so many ups, but as it says that life goes on, so we have to
Life
just
goes on.
enjoy every roller coaster ride without any fear. So there are many things happened with me that it bring very painful for me, but overall everything when it ends well. Everything just today is the last day of the year, and I just pray God that this last day also just seems good for me. And this is the, I mean, this thing happened in 2021, and my New Year resolution is that I that I actually become the best version of myself. I just want to be the best human being.
Mhm.
I want to do some random acts of kindness. I just want to give happiness to those people who just are not happy. So I just want to be the better version of myself and just give happiness to everybody. This is my New Year resolution.
That's very good. And any regrets that you have, that anything which you did,
Any
which you should
regrets?
not have, you should not, you must have done something better. Any regrets that you have?
I think that on my birthday I didn't enjoy properly because, as I say that on that day, Nitish sir had put a marquee on that day, and I think my marquee don't goes well. So I just literally bit upset and I cried a lot. So it's a very bad thing. I just ruined my birthday, and my birthday is very precious for me. But a simple marquee can ruin my birthday. So I just regret about this. Is a huge regret I feel that I ruined my birthday.
So that marquee was the spoil spot for the
Yes, ma'am. The marquee is the spoil spot for my birthday. And I love my birthday, and I just spoil my birthday. It's just a simple marquee. So I feel very regret that I
so
spoiled my birthday
you
by
regret,
crying on my birthday.
had you studied better, you would have scored good marks. Yeah, fine. Good resolution that you want to become a better version of yourself.
Yeah, better version of myself and want to do the random acts of kindness.
Mhm. All right, tell me, how will you celebrate today? The last day people celebrate.
Yeah, ma'am, people celebrate. So I think I have nothing much planned, but I just spend time with my brother, my mom, dad, my dadaji. I enjoyed with them by cutting cake, deciding at night to eat something tasty foods by eating something tasty foods.
Okay, that's nice. All right, Mahi, call somebody else in the classroom. Let us hear.
And ma'am, also give your blessings that this year will gonna to be the best for me.
Definitely, by all means, you have the blessings of from all of us from the Simach family. It goes without saying that always stay blessed, stay connected, stay happy, and on top of the world.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a great blessing from a teacher.
All right, Mahi,
Thank you.
call somebody in the classroom whom you see.
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to invite Komal.
Komal, why did you switch off your camera? We are just having an informal talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Komal.
I enjoy 2020. Yes, ma'am. May I start?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I enjoy 2021 also, but some problems are came like COVID-19. Many families can affect this coronavirus. I also learned many things in 2021, like value of mask and sanitizers. In 2021, mask and sanitizers is just like our friends. So that I in 2021, I enjoy also very lot. My greatest achievement of 2021 is Inspiro 2021. I
Mhm.
enjoy a lot because I see that um, all the chief guests are came, and I enjoy very lot to see this moment in 2021. And I plan in 2022 is I enjoy a very joyful mode in 2022 because I hope that the coronavirus is not came in 2022. I hope that I hope in session 2022 is not late because I am still in second semester also. So that this is my achievement.
Okay. So you hope that the coronavirus will stay away from the family and it will not affect us, affect our
Yes,
life.
ma'am.
So stay safe, be safe, feel safe,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
follow the COVID appropriate behavior.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Komal, call anybody in your class.
Yes, ma'am.
Gaurav.
I invite Gaurav.
Gaurav, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
कहाँ हो तुम? मतलब where are you? Are you at home? Are you in a car or something?
No, ma'am, he's not at home actually.
in
He's
car.
in house. He's in car.
He's in a car. Okay. कहाँ जा रहे हो?
No idea.
Where are you going, Gaurav?
Hello, ma'am.
Hiya.
I think he has a network issue.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, yes. Continue, Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you driving?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start.
Thank you, Komal.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, start.
Ma'am, as we know that 2021 was very difficult. Those who leave their family, friends. But I am happy my family, my teachers are also my friends are safe. And ma'am, 2021 good for me because I joined CMAs, meet ma'am, Sanjana ma'am, Nitish sir, our faculties member.
Any regret, Gaurav, which you have?
Yes, ma'am. Taking life too seriously, ma'am.
Oh, okay. You take life too seriously. You take your classes too. Don't take life. Don't even take classes seriously. Classes तो होते हैं यार. Don't इतना stress नहीं लेने का होता है. क्लास करो लेकिन
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
बहुत ही हल्के मूड में रहो. Be attentive only. Do not take anything very seriously. Life is to be lived, not to be taken seriously, right?
Yes, ma'am. I understand, ma'am.
Yeah. So enjoy yourself. If you take everything very seriously, you will miss the fun of life. You will miss the fun of living if you take everything very seriously. So enjoy life, take life as it is. There may be some good things, there may be bad things, but then you
Yes.
have to strike a balance between them.
Yes.
So what are your plans for 2022?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. क्या प्लान है 2022 के लिए तुम्हारा?
Ma'am, doing exercise and improve my fitness, my skills,
Mhm.
work hard, more study, smart work.
Okay, that's good. All right, we can include just one person more. Call anybody in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has the cameras off. There are 31 students, 30 students in the class, or with all the camera on, off.
Monica Kesari.
Call anybody.
Ma'am, Monica.
Monica, please switch on your camera. At least wish your friends Happy New Year. Camera बंद करके करोगे? This is bad. This is demotivating, really. You don't even want to see your friends. You don't want your friends to see you. You don't want to wish people. Then okay, today only Gaurav, Komal, Anisha, and Pratay Prakash and Mahi. बाकी सब absent हैं आज? Fine. The rest of you are absent.